What's up guys, so today we're going to repair the car. Somebody drove in the back of the car. After the preparation we are going to proceed to the reparation. We're going to push in there so we can make it come back out, and over here we're just going to pull on this side right here. You can see there's like a very big dent in it.
So high off of your love, I can't even see what's right there. Oh, all of me wishes that I could not come down, and I fall to pieces, baby, every time you want to run.
I'm so high right now, oh, can't come down, from it out. I'm so high right now, oh, can't come down, from it out.
I'd stay if you wanted, but you'd rather I disappear. You got what you wanted, the smoke fades and it's all so clear. Isn't it funny the way they say they care, and all of your love is ashes, it's always up in the air. Our first kiss had me so high I still can't even come down. Our love burns like ashes, so it crumples too and falls down. Oh, I just want a love that lasts, not one that melts like honey. I think of your face now, I must smoke, oh, I better run, babe.
I'm so high right now, oh, can't come down, from it out. I'm so high right now, oh, can't come down, from it out.
So for a moment we are done, and this is the result. So in the end we filled up the holes with some Bondo. Afterwards we put on some primary paint, and once the primary paint was dry we put on the final paint. Sorry for the quality of the video, it was a video I filmed a while ago with another camera, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.